Hello, everybody. Today, I would like to talk to you about how to set up the new strategy, Phantom Drift. This strategy excellently masks arbitrage trading as grid or martingale trading, but it is safe when properly configured. We begin setup by adding a session. This session is added in the same way as for other strategies, so I'll only focus on the parts that are different or important to consider. In the session window, go to the Symbols tab and check only the symbols that we'll be trading. In this case, it's Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and XAU USD. It is important to check Collect Ticks M15 since these candles are needed for the RSI indicator to function correctly, which is used to trigger martingale entries. After you've configured this, you can close the session window and in the strategy management window, click the Add Strategy button. In the list of the strategies that open, select Phantom Drift and then select OK. A prompt will appear asking you if you want to create symbols list from template, and we'll click OK on this prompt. The strategy settings window opens on the settings tab, and the strategy can be run on two accounts, but works perfectly on one as well. I'll be using a single session, so I'll check the single session and then select the fast feed from the list. As we've mentioned many times, the feed choice depends on the location of your broker's server. If your broker's server is hosted in London, then your VPS should also be in London, and you should select the London feed. After that, you'll need to select the account on which the trading will be carried out on. In the Martingale open conditions settings, the default RSI indicator is set to a 15-minute time frame with the parameters period of 14 and levels of 30 and 70. You can also use your own entry filters if your license includes the coding module. When you click the Apply Changes button and go to the Instrument and Orders tab, there is a pre-configured template for the instruments Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Yen, and XAU USD. The first column after the symbol is the lot size for the first account, and the second is for this account number 2. Next is the number of decimal places for the symbol quote. All the other parameters are the same as in lock strategies, so I'll focus more on the new parameters. We have the parameter of max trades. This parameter defines the maximum number of consecutive trades in the martingale sequence. In other words, it sets the depth of the grid, the total number of steps the system will take to recover losses and reach target profit. Limiting the number of trades helps control risk and prevent excessive drawdown during unfavorable market conditions. We also have the lot exponent. This is the multiplier by which each subsequent order increases during averaging. We also have the pip step, the distance between points between averaging orders. Max profit, which is the profit level at which the gains from the arbitrage trader closed and a new martingale cycle begins. And arb profit, the value that indicates how many points the locked arbitrage must earn to completely cover the losses incurred by the martingale. We have min spread slow 1, the minimum allowed spread for slow broker 1. If the actual spread is lower than this value, arbitrage signals are ignored. Min spread slow 2, kind of the same for the slow broker number 2. Max spread slow, maximum allowed spread for both slow brokers. If exceeded, signals are ignored. Max spread fast, the maximum allowed spread for fast feed. Bid offset, the constant distance between bid on fast and slow 1 brokers, and it's calculated in points. Bid offset 2 is the same for the second slow broker. Ask offset 1 is the constant distance between ask on fast and slow brokers, number 1. Ask offset 2 is the same for the second broker. and offset calculation enables automatic offset calculation. We also have the diff limit, the maximum allowed difference for opening an arbitrage trade. If the actual difference is higher, the signal will be ignored. In the current arbitrage profit column, we can also see the stats on the current profit made by the arbitrage strategy. We also have the statistical values of current difference 1 and current difference 2. These show the current difference between the fast and slow feeds. Following that, there are more performance statistics by environment. Thank you for watching, and please support our channel. Subscribe and like if you found our video helpful.